Barcelona, the vibrant capital of Catalonia, beckons travelers with its unique blend of history, culture, and coastal charm. This city, with its rich tapestry of influences, offers an experience that is both timeless and contemporary. As you wander through its streets, you'll find a story at every corner, a melody in every breeze, and a warmth in every smile. Nestled on the shores of the Mediterranean Sea, this cosmopolitan city offers a captivating experience for every visitor. The golden beaches stretch invitingly, perfect for a day of relaxation or a sunset stroll. The gentle waves of the Mediterranean provide a soothing soundtrack to the city's vibrant life, making it a haven for both adventure seekers and those looking to unwind. From the awe-inspiring architecture of Antoni Gaudí to the bustling energy of La Rambla, Barcelona pulsates with life and creativity. Gaudí's masterpieces, like the Sagrada Familia and Park Güell, are not just buildings, but living, breathing works of art that tell the story of Barcelona's innovative spirit. La Rambla, with its lively street performers and bustling markets, is the heartbeat of the city, where locals and tourists alike come together to celebrate life. The city's rich history is woven into the fabric of its streets, while its modern spirit embraces innovation and artistic expression. The Gothic Quarter, with its narrow, winding streets and ancient buildings, transports you back in time, while the modern art installations scattered throughout the city showcase Barcelona's forward-thinking mindset. This juxtaposition of old and new creates a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape that is uniquely Barcelona. Come, lose yourself in the magic of Barcelona and discover a Mediterranean jewel that will capture your heart. Whether you're exploring its historic landmarks, indulging in its culinary delights, or simply soaking in the vibrant atmosphere, Barcelona promises an unforgettable journey. The city's charm lies not just in its sights, but in its spirit, a spirit that welcomes you with open arms and invites you to be a part of its story. So, pack your bags and set out on an adventure to this Mediterranean gem, where every moment is a treasure waiting to be discovered. Antoni Gaudí, the visionary architect, left an indelible mark on Barcelona's cityscape. His influence is not just seen, but felt throughout the city, where his innovative designs have become iconic symbols of Catalan culture and creativity. His unique style, inspired by the organic forms of nature and the principles of Catalan modernism, is evident in his masterpieces scattered throughout the city. Gaudí's work is characterized by vibrant colors, intricate details, and a harmonious blend of functionality and aesthetics. From the Sagrada Familia, his unfinished magnum opus, which has been under construction for over a century, to the intricate details on its facade that tell stories of faith and devotion, Gaudí's vision continues to evolve and inspire. To Park Güell, a whimsical wonderland of mosaics and sculptures, where every corner reveals a new surprise. The park is a testament to Gaudí's ability to transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary experiences, blending natural elements with artistic expression. Gaudí's creations are a testament to his genius, each building a unique narrative of his innovative approach to architecture. From the undulating forms of Casa Batlló to the organic shapes of Casa Milà, his work challenges conventional design and invites viewers to see the world through his imaginative lens. Explore these architectural wonders and be transported to a world of imagination and artistry. Whether you're wandering through the halls of his buildings or marveling at the intricate details, Gaudí's legacy offers a journey into the heart of creativity and innovation. His work not only defines Barcelona, but also continues to inspire architects and artists around the globe. Park Güell, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a whimsical wonderland created by Antoni Gaudí. Located on Carmel Hill, this enchanting park offers breathtaking views of Barcelona and a glimpse into Gaudí's imaginative world. Wander through its mosaic-covered benches, admire the gingerbread-like houses, and explore the serpentine walkways that wind through the park. Park Güell is a must-see for any visitor to Barcelona. La Rambla, Barcelona's most famous pedestrian boulevard, is the city's vibrant heartbeat. This bustling promenade stretches from Plaça de Catalunya to the port, and is a melting pot of cultures, street performers, and lively atmosphere. Stroll along La Rambla, soak up the energy, and experience the true spirit of Barcelona. Section 5. A Journey Through History, Gothic Quarter and Beyond. The Gothic Quarter, Barcelona's historic heart, is a labyrinth of narrow, winding streets that transport you back in time. Explore this ancient neighborhood, discover hidden plazas, and marvel at the medieval architecture. From the Barcelona Cathedral to the Roman ruins, the Gothic Quarter is a treasure trove of history and charm. Section 6. Savoring Barcelona's Culinary Delights. Barcelona's culinary scene is a reflection of its rich cultural heritage and its proximity to the Mediterranean Sea. From traditional Catalan dishes to innovative cuisine, Barcelona offers a gastronomic adventure for every palate. Explore its bustling markets, savor its tapas bars, and indulge in its world-class restaurants. Barcelona is a foodie's paradise. Section 7. Coastal Charms, Barceloneta Beach and Beyond. Barcelona's coastline stretches for miles, offering a variety of beaches and coastal attractions. From the bustling Barceloneta Beach to the tranquil beaches further north, there's a beach for every preference. Soak up the Mediterranean sun, enjoy a refreshing swim, or simply relax on the sand and enjoy the sea breeze. Barcelona's beaches are a welcome escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Section 8. The Rhythm of Barcelona, Festivals and Celebrations. Barcelona is a city that truly knows how to celebrate life. Its calendar is brimming with events that bring together locals and visitors in joyous harmony. Barcelona's calendar is filled with vibrant festivals and celebrations that showcase the city's rich culture and traditions. Each festival is a unique expression of the city's identity, offering a glimpse into its soul. From music and dance to food and art, these events are a testament to Barcelona's diverse and dynamic spirit. From La Mercè, the city's biggest festival, to smaller neighborhood celebrations, there's always something happening in Barcelona. La Mercè, held in September, is a week-long celebration honoring the city's patron saint, Our Lady of Mercy. The festival features a variety of events, including parades, concerts, and fireworks, transforming the city into a vibrant playground. Immerse yourself in the city's festive spirit and experience its unique cultural expressions. Whether you're dancing with locals in the streets, exploring festive market stalls, or marveling at the night festivals illuminated by dazzling lights, there's a sense of magic in the air. La Mercè, held in September, is a week-long celebration honoring the city's patron saint, Our Lady of Mercy. The festival is renowned for its giant puppets, known as gegans, which parade through the streets, captivating audiences of all ages. The fireworks display is a highlight, lighting up the night sky in a spectacular show of color and sound. Traditional music performances add to the festive atmosphere, creating an unforgettable experience for all who attend. Section 9. Experiencing local life. Beyond the tourist trail. Venture beyond the tourist trail and discover the authentic heart of Barcelona. Explore its diverse neighborhoods, interact with locals, and experience the city's everyday life. From the trendy Elborn district to the artistic Gracia, each neighborhood offers a unique glimpse into Barcelona's vibrant culture. Section 10. Shopping in Barcelona. From boutiques to markets, Barcelona is a shopper's paradise, offering a diverse range of shopping experiences. From high-end boutiques to bustling markets, there's something for every taste and budget. Explore its designer stores, discover unique local crafts, and find the perfect souvenir to remind you of your Barcelona adventure. Section 11. Getting around Barcelona. Transportation tips. Barcelona is a relatively easy city to navigate, with a comprehensive public transportation system. From the metro and buses to taxis and bicycles, there are various options for getting around. Choose the mode of transportation that best suits your needs and explore the city at your own pace. Section 12. Barcelona awaits. Plan your unforgettable journey. Barcelona, a city of vibrant culture, architectural wonders, and coastal charm, awaits your discovery. From the iconic Sagrada Familia to the bustling La Rambla, Barcelona offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Plan your journey to this Mediterranean jewel and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures with Pathfinder Travels.